If you've been looking for a way to generate consistent affiliate commissions on autopilot, maybe you're not someone that's very technical, maybe you're someone that has no experience, or maybe not a following online, you're in the right place because I'm going to share with you a brand new automated affiliate system that will literally pay you reoccurring and big high ticket commissions automatically into your bank account. Now, there's just 3 steps that I'm going to walk you through. Very, very simple to set up this system. And the beautiful thing is this system is actually free to use. Now, like I said, this is a very new system. So if you're watching this based on when this video came out, it's still ground floor and you can actually set this up and be one of the first people to really start promoting this, using this, and generating commissions. Now, I'm going to walk through these 3 steps step by step in just a second. But first, I want to share with you results from the Facebook group of new members that have just started using this brand new system. So you can see right here, Michelle, it says, can someone tell me what this means? I have not signed up anyone for Got Backup, okay, which is one of the 7 income streams inside of this program and system that I'll share in just a second. It says, but I have paid for it and set up the affiliate link. So basically this person got a sale and it says, someone on your team has brought in a member who was not directly referred by you. So what happened was this person actually brought in someone and then their person brought in someone and they're actually getting pass ups and commissions based on other people's work. So this is absolutely incredible. Craig right here, 5 hours ago, just using this brand new system, he said that's pretty quick, just signed up to income stream number 7. Okay, again, you promote one link and you get paid on 7 different income streams in the system. And about 1 hour ago, already made a sale. Okay, you can see $26 came in on autopilot. Okay, David right here, 2 more. It says these are from income stream number 3. Okay, you can see those results right here. Maybe just a few more results and I'm gonna get into exactly how to set this up for free, okay? I keep on getting this daily. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, so this person's getting these daily signups. Okay, this one right here, Craig, again, leads, right? So here are these steps. Number 1 is you're gonna get access to the free affiliate marketing system. So there's gonna be a link directly below. When you click that link, you're gonna get taken to this page right here. Now, this is the page to actually create a free account inside of this system. Now, this system is called the Super Affiliate Funnel. It's created by David Deacle, okay? So David actually posted inside of this group right here. Now, David, okay, this guy right here, he's been a marketer for many, many years online. And I actually, if you go back to my YouTube channel, I've actually promoted multiple systems that he's created, okay? One of them was Funnel X ROI. Another one was Profits Passport, and I've made thousands of dollars using his systems, but also newbies, okay? People brand new from around the world, as you've seen right here, are able to get amazing results as well because they're very newbie friendly. So you go to this link right here, you can watch this welcome video, but essentially if you just want to start making these reoccurring and high ticket commissions as fast as possible, scroll down, okay? You want to click this yellow button here, and you want to create your account. So you want to put your first name, last name, okay? Write your goal. So in about 1 sentence, explain what your goal is, okay? So you can write, like make sales, okay? You want to agree to send a testimonial when you reach your goal, okay? Because the more testimonials we actually post inside of this Facebook group as we start getting results, the better our team and everyone inside of this system will start to get better results, okay? So you want to actually be posting any testimonials. Creates an account by entering your email. Now it has to be a Gmail, okay? And then put a password. Choose this, okay, to show that you're not a robot, and then click Create My Account. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get taken to your back office here, okay? Now, there's different tabs, there's different things like that, but I wanna walk you through in this tutorial exactly how to set this up quickly and easily so you can start to make these commissions, okay? Now, again, you can watch the welcome video and stuff like that, and I actually recommend you do take the time to watch that. There's actually a welcome week bonus package, okay, of close to $3,000 that you wanna find out more about, okay, when you get started. But essentially, you want to first set up these 7 different income streams. Okay. Now, all of these income streams are very, very powerful. And when you actually join these income streams, not only are you going to be able to earn reoccurring commissions and instant payments in some cases, but you also are going to be able to use this yourself. For example, Got Backup is storage. Okay, so if you've ever not had storage, when it comes to photos or files or things like that, you can actually leverage this cloud backup service as well as make commissions when people go through this process. So again, all you have to do is click right here. Okay, you'll get taken to the link to actually get started. Okay, and what you want to do with these 7 income streams is you want to go through and you want to actually sign up for all 7. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get your own affiliate ID and you want to put it into your super affiliate funnel back office. Okay, so I put my affiliate ID right there and then I saved it. Now, when you're setting up these income streams, if you ever have any problem or you don't know how to do it, just click this tutorial button and then David Deco will actually walk through exactly how to sign up for that specific income stream as well as connect it here. Okay, now number 2, okay, SendShark. SendShark is an email autoresponder service, okay, which pays very good commissions. Again, if you want to watch the tutorial on how to set this up, and then you just click here to activate, okay, and you basically just sign up here. Okay, and once you sign up, you'll also get, again, your affiliate ID, which you'll just put in this box and then save it. Now, you want to go through all 7, okay? There are different things like link trackers and, legacy builder right here. So if you've been following me at all, and maybe you've partnered with me inside of the Legacy Builder program, which is a digital marketing training program, that's actually one of the 7 income streams inside. So if you're already a member, you just take your link and you put it right there, the link to the sales page, and then you save. And you just go ahead and do all of that, okay? Now, once you do that, now it's connected, okay? Now, one of the last steps before we start getting traffic is setting up the autoresponder. So this system allows you to literally have it follow up with your leads for you. So it automatically starts sending emails to your leads, converting them into sales. So you want to click right here. Okay, this is step 1. Now we're on step 2, which is setting up the autoresponder. All right, so now we're on this page right here. And again, you want to watch this video. David's going to break this down very simply. But when you actually set up the SendShark income stream, that will give you access to an email autoresponder. And you can literally just choose SendShark right there and it will automatically integrate. Okay, that's actually the recommended one. Now I use System.io right now because I already had a System.io account. So I just integrated the email autoresponder sequence and follow-up process directly into my account because I already had one. But if you're brand new online and you do not have an email autoresponder, sign up with SendShark, add your affiliate ID into the system, and then you can use that while also collecting commissions. Okay, so again, update that. Now what happens is when you actually go to the set up your system part and the autoresponder is connected and everything is working, now what you want to do is you want to get as much traffic sent to this link as possible. Okay, this is your affiliate link to promote. Some people ask, once I set up these income streams, should I promote, Got Backup separately? Should I promote, SendShark? How could I promote all 7 of these different income streams? You don't want to do that. You don't want to promote individually. You just want to promote this one affiliate link. Okay, so now maybe you're watching this, you already have a preferred traffic strategy. Maybe you like Facebook marketing, or maybe you like promoting on Instagram. That's totally fine. In fact, income stream number 4, okay, which is the Legacy Builder, actually has tons of marketing training inside. Okay, so if you already have that, or if you get access to that, once you join, you'll have access to training. However, inside of this system, David actually has an entire tab dedicated to advertising and getting traffic. You're going to do step number 1 by clicking the link directly below and creating that free account. Step number 2 is setting up the different income streams, adding your affiliate IDs and links inside of the system. And then step number 3 is once you do step 1 and 2, all you have to do on a daily basis is flood that one funnel link, that one affiliate link with both free and instant traffic. Okay, now, like I said, inside of this system, when you go inside here, just click this third tab there, and David actually has tons of training on how to get traffic. Now, a lot of these traffic strategies are very passive and literally push button, okay? So you click a button and you get traffic. For example, one of the income streams is actually My Lead Gen Secret, which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically right here. And this income stream inside of the system that we will make commissions on is not only good for commissions, but also it will give you 100 fresh leads a day into your account. You can see right here, look, leads today, 100, leads yesterday, 100, okay? So every day they're giving you 100 leads, and then all you have to do is click mailing system, and you could add in the subject, okay, which actually David gives you right here, okay? Send this email daily to My Lead Gen Secret Leads. All you do is you copy this subject line right here. It is so simple. You put in the subject right there, okay? And then you just go down to the body right there, and then you literally just copy the body of the email right there, and then you just replace it right there, okay? And then you would just click send. Now, I've already sent it for today, and that's gonna go out to all of those leads, getting people to click and create an account inside of your Simple Affiliate funnel. And when they actually go here and they start setting up the system under you, okay, they start purchasing the different income streams to set them up, you're gonna start to get multiple commissions just like the people right here, okay, over and over again. If you're watching this, be sure you go down to the link below, set up this system right now. Like I said, the system's totally free to use for the time being. It's very new, okay? It's a hot system right now. You don't want to miss out on this. Everyone's going to be joining this. It's just released very recently. If you have any more questions, comment them below. Like this video if you got value. Subscribe, because I'm going to be going even deeper. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.